To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by removing the SIM card tray from your Google Pixel. Use a hairdryer or heat gun to help loosen the adhesive holding the screen in place, being careful not to overheat your phone. Use the special tool included in your kit from newpower99.com as a wedge to get underneath the glass display. Once you have inserted this tool, leave it in place as shown. The screen is very fragile, so be careful not to use the metal tool on the sides of the display or to lift or pry using this tool. Use the NewPower99 card included in your kit to begin gently slicing through the adhesive holding the screen in place on all sides. Once you have loosened the adhesive holding the screen in place, you can begin to gently lift the screen, being careful not to damage the ribbon cable attached. You may need to use the card to slice through any last strands of adhesive as you lift. Gently hold the screen to the side and remove the two screws securing the connector cover. Be careful not to put too much strain on the ribbon cable as it is very fragile. Use the shim tool to remove the connector cover. Carefully disconnect the ribbon cable and set the screen aside. Remove the 9 screws securing the mid-frame. Lift up the mid-frame of your device as shown, being sure to start lifting from the bottom. Be careful not to damage the connector attached underneath. Disconnect the cable and peel back the tape, helping to hold it in place. Then set the mid-frame of your device aside. Disconnect the original battery. Peel back the tape and disconnect the large ribbon cable as shown. Remove the original battery using the shim tool. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your Google Pixel. Reconnect the large ribbon cable. Connect your new battery. Position the mid-frame as shown and reconnect the cable. Lower the mid-frame and snap into place. Replace the 9 screws. Reconnect the display cable. Replace the connector cover and the 2 screws. Return the display to its original position and press into place. Replace the SIM card tray. Turn on your Google Pixel with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Google Pixel should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.